Good morning, this is Kyle Jackson from Physical Healthcare of Jacksonville. I'm the executive director here, and I'm here with Peggy. Peggy came to one of our lectures and came in as a new patient, and she was receiving some regenerative medicine. And so she wanted to tell her story about her hip pain that she was experiencing. So Peggy, tell us about your hip.
Okay, for about a year, I've had hip pain in walking, in resting. At night, I couldn't get comfortable. I would take a step sideways and I'd feel like it was going to break. So it was just kind of disconcerting, yeah.
And so after receiving the regenerative medicine, how does it feel now?
Well, truly, it's amazing. I mean, I have zero pain today, and it was about a month ago that I had the first injection. And there was some, bits of pain here and there, and after treatment, but yeah, today it's great, and I can say in the last few days I haven't even thought about it until I came for here, and I thought I can say I've had no pain.
So you'd say when you came in, 0 out of 10 pain with the hip when you first came in, what would you rate it?
I would guess I would rate it at about a 7 or 8.
Wow,
Somewhere
and
in
so
there.
today you're all the way down to 0.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story. We
Thank you.
really appreciate it.
All right, thank you.